Hi guys, this is Sayak and I present before you this. I am a boy, a student basically. I was addicted to technology from a very small age, assisted by curiosity. It all started with cars, and yet the list is moving on. Then YouTube gave me the platform to sum all things up and not having to choose and eliminate. Thus, but in the process, things started to fall apart. Obstacles on my way tended to grab my attention more so than my work itself. On a certain day, it was the deadline for my project, one of them which meant the most to me. It was summer. Temperatures were ranging to extreme, and I'm on my way of editing a ton of clips. And suddenly, everything freezes. I realized I had not saved the project. I was on the verge of failure. But there it was, with the power of strength, the Intel Core i7 8th Gen processor and the MX150 GPU, assisted with the power of freaking agility, the 128GB SSDs and the DDR4 RAM. They were able to handle the situation like champs. Yet the struggle was not over. Then came the 1080p 170-degree viewing angle panel with the power of adding beauty to my project with those nano bezels, enhancing my experience even more so, turning the dream of color grading into reality. But a letdown. It was time for me to leave. But all of these weighed a mere 1.7 kg, making it portable friendly with the provided bodyguard, the Touch ID. Finally, I recognized it was the Asus Vivobook S15. Whoa. And yeah, I finished my project. Hey guys, so I always wanted to try out something like this and I will continue to do something like this in future. I actually enjoyed the process to the most and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video too. So basically, specs like these in the Asus Vivobook S15 are actually like a group of Avengers, especially to us budding YouTubers who do not have the budget of something like this. And a very huge, very huge thanks to Nikhil Bhai and Asus India for giving us such an amazing opportunity to try something very different and something beyond the limits that we generally do not do. And for me, it's been a real fun for merging two different interrelated worlds together. So thanks for watching and hashtag Beyond the Edge.